Okay, today's the day.
Guys, alam niyo ba yung code?
Well, it sure is. 3 taon na tayo nagpe-prepare para sa araw na to. Chow.
Ito. Yan lahat ng files, pictures, data, kailangan mo pakita kay Sir Jason. Sir Jason, nakakita mo siya naka-formal attire sa park. Doon siya makita. Sa phone mo, dito ko nilagay yung lahat ng app. Ano yung app na kailangan mo. If he asks for validation or examples of the app, just show it. It's an offline app anyway. Okay, so you might as well bring this. Okay, so
Okay, wish me luck, guys!
good.
So, Miss Fiona, maaari mo ba sabihin sa akin tungkol sa inyo app?
Oh, well, sir, this app is called AppMosaic. Well, I know that name has been used by a lot of apps recently, but I will assure you it's not like any other apps. It's not even anything till that stuff. This app is a combination of every social media app. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. This app will be a great change in the social media industry.
That's impressive. Siguro malaking grupo nyo.
No, sir. We only have 2 people in my group. Me and my friends. And to pass the cheaters to finish this out.
3 people only? 3 people only? Miss Fiona, I'm not trying to be rude, pero hindi ako makapaniwala na 3 lang kayo gagawa niyo eh.
Well, sir, I can show you a file about the app. Would you like to see?
Miss Fiona, hindi to sapat eh. Pasensya na.
Sir, I can confidently say you that me and my friends did this app together. Please, give us a chance. We worked so hard on this. Please, I'll do anything, sir. Please, just give us a chance.
Meron naman isang paraan para magbago isip mo.
And that would be, sir? What the heck? Don't even try, you pervert!
Fiona! Okay ka lang ba dyan? Ano nangyari? Si Mr. Jason? Bakit hindi ba inaprobahan yung contract?
Hey, we're team,
Hey!
bro.
May ba sila pag-usapan natin yan?
Kailangan mabuksan yan.
Bakit ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Ano ba nangyari?
Magtubig ka muna. Ano ba nangyari, Fiona?
It's Mr. Jason. It is...
Gataw mo ako!
Isa! Di ka pwedeng makipag-away
Ano hindi pwede?
Wala na
Pinaiyak ang
tayong...
kaibigan natin, oh!
Wala na tayong magagawa. Tapos na. Meron pa tayo mga ibang investors bukas.
Ano naman?
Hayaan mo na yan. Hayaan mo na. Mas mabuti pa samahan mo muna yan. Kaya kayo, ako bahala bukas.
Isa-isin mo yan, ha?
Okay, punta na ako. Si Miss Jean yung bago nating investor, di ba? See ya. Good morning.
Yes, I can. You're here to present the app we were talking about.
Yes. Good to meet you. Did you care for a walk?
I already had my own. Let's just stick.
So, time for us to sit. So, before we start, I'm very proud to say this ad call.
Now tell me, what exactly is this app?
Well, ma'am, this app is a combination of every social media there is. It is we made it Mosaic, for it combines the different pieces of the network, such as TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, every aspect of the media is in this app. So you've heard of those apps, right?
Yes, I have.
So we took those apps, combined them into one. That's why we call the app Mosaic. Okay, so in all of our trials, runs, and tests, the app worked perfectly. No bugs, nothing, no flaws, I would say. It would say that a near perfect app for the current region.
Wow, I must say that's impressive. Is your team large?
Actually, ma'am, our team composes of only 3 people. And you're looking at them, I am the head developer, a designer, and another friend of us that helps us present the apps to different investors.
How about competition?
Competition. Oh no, ma'am, I proudly can say that we will dominate this once we get your investment.
Oh, alright. That is very impressive. I have the money to invest in your app, but I'm not experienced. If you wouldn't mind, I'll call my brother who's more experienced than me.
Yes, you can.
Can I have the name of your team members?
Oh, that would be me, Lloyd, Fiona, and Maverick.
Come on, pick up, Jason. Hey, Jason. So you know the app I was going to invest on? It's great. Really, really great. Though I'm quite concerned and suspicious about them having only 3 members on their team. That would be Lloyd, Maverick, and you. Hey, Lloyd,
Yes, ma'am?
thank you for waiting, but I'm really, really sorry to disappoint you that I can't accept the offers.
Why?
I can disclose the reason, but I wish your team a good luck.
Ma'am, please, give us a chance.
I'm afraid I can. Again, I wish your team a good luck.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you for your time, ma'am.
Oh, so how's the investor? Wala. Things went south again.
Oh, miss ba? Pre, suko na lang tayo.
Anong suko?
Pre, 3 years tayo nagtrabaho dito. 3 years tayo mamanap na investor. Mga nahanap na investor, wala lang, malas lang din.
I still have my shot. Tsaka, 3 years. Oo nga, 3 years. Sa ngayon pa natin to bibitawan?
We can just sell the code.
Isipin mo, ano sell ang code? Hayaan mo sila makinabang sa code na ginawa natin, alam natin ng potential nun?
We will fail.
Ano we will fail? I still have my shot, di ba? Kay Mr. Jackson.
Oh.
Bukas, pag hindi gumana yun, ibebenta natin yung code.
Sige.
Hello? Sino to? Ha? Bakit? Ano pong problema? Hindi naman po pwedeng ganun. Pwede ko ba makausap si Mr. Jackson? Para kawan niyo, bilis na. They hang up.
Sino tumawag?
Si Mr. Jackson, assistant nila. Guess what? Nag-back out na rin sila. Buisit na buhay to! Oh. Na.
Ano? Di ba? Mawawala rin. Pag-aapon ko pa sinabi. Sumuko na tayo.
Hindi pwede.
Ano? Wala nang investor nung hindi pwede.
Maghanap tayo na iba. Hindi tayo pwede sumuko.
Pwede. 3 taon natin ito ginawa, wala pang profit. Wala pa tayong profit na napakuha sa 3 taon na...
Naiintindihan ko kung gusto mo nang kumita. Ako din eh.
Guys, anong nangyari? Okay ka lang, Bex?
Nag-away kami ni Lloyd.
Oh, what happened?
Di ba kasi nag-back out si Mr. Jackson? Yun.
Wait. Someone's calling. Hello?
Sino yan?
Hindi ko alam. Oh, hi! Why did you call? Hindi ko alam. Nagkakagulo na kami ngayon. Well, di ba nga, dapat may mga investors na yung app namin. Well, wala na. Umayaw silang lahat. What do you mean, okay?
Good news yun para sa amin, no?
Why do you sound so happy? Aren't you supposed to be my friend?
Na-decide kasi yung boss namin nung invest sa atin. Nireto namin yung sa inyo. Kaya siya nag-isa, so wala akong competition.
Well, seryoso ka ba?
Bakit?
Ako ba ba?
Oh my God, oh my God, thank you. Wait lang, sasabihin ko sa kanila. Kailan mo ba gusto makipag-meet?
Pwede daw ba yun?
Right now. Okay, sige, sasabihin ko sa kanila. Oh my God, thank you! Okay, so my friend called, and nag-invest, oh my God. Wait na, nilado niya tayo sa company nila, so may mag-invest na sa app natin. Oh my God!
Seryoso?
Yeah, they called, and they want to meet right now.
Maya, biblit naman na. Mag-ano doon?
Hi guys, good afternoon. This is my boss, Treasurer Camilo, and this is my friends po, Fiona Jane Bobas, the designer, and Maverick Vergara, also designer, and Lloyd Azialdea, sir, would you like to take this conversation somewhere?
Sorry, but can you get to the point? I have some errands to do later.
Let me tell you about the app. Mosaic, the app Mosaic. We combined every aspect of social media, be it texting, calling, video, posting, even playing games. We managed to link it to different kinds of games. So buy that app, just download it, and on a cloud system, you can play different kinds of games. You can also connect it to different apps like Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat. And you can message people using that app using Mosaic. You won't have to switch apps or download them at all. It's all stored in a cloud system.
Yes.
And I believe this will be revolutionary for social media. It will keep up with the fast pace of this world.
Kayo pa, lalakad na ako diretso
And
lang.
I hope that will be more than enough reason for you to invest.
Let me think about it. Do we still have that person in the company? Okay. If I agree to invest with that app, ilang profit kaya yung makukuha ko sa inyo?
Sir, if you were to invest in our app, you would get from 8 digits to 9 digits of profit on the initial launch.
That's a really huge number, sir. I think we should invest. Honestly, I like your presentation. Congratulations, you have a deal. Come on, Ivana, let's go. Sino ka ba?
Sorry! Bye! Over the course of the years, pagkatapos ng investment nila Sir Tosher ng mga Aviles, yung app naming tatlo, lumaki na. And Mosaic is umalit sa Twitter, Facebook, sa ibang apps. So, yun ang masabi namin guys, paano kami naging successful.
Wow! It's so inspiring!
Sabi sa'yo,
Galing!
pagpupunyagi ang susi sa
We're so
tagumpay.
proud of you!
Isip mo'y litong-lito sa mga panahong nais mong malimot. Bakit bang bumabalakid ay